Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use the camera control on your iPhone 17. So today I'll guide you how to use the camera control in your iPhone 17. So at first open the settings here, scroll down till you see the camera right here. Now system settings, camera control, tap it. Here now, as you can see, launch. The first thing, launch camera. If you tap it, you can say if you want to launch camera, code scanner, or magnifier. Apart from that, here you can select if you want to double click or single click to open the camera application. As you can see, single click is just single click, and double click is double click. No. Actually, no such surprise. So here, apart from that, require screen on. If we disable this option, we can see that we can turn on the camera without the screen on. And if we enable this option, we can see that we can't really go to the camera without waiting a moment. Now, here, if we do have our display upside down, because here we do have always on display. Here, now, if we do have our, for example, phone upside down, now we can't enter the camera control. I forgot that I have the always on display. Apart from that, here, as you can see, we have camera adjustments. If you enable that, you can tap customize. And here we do have light press and swipe. You can enable light press and swipe over here, and now we can edit controls: exposure, depth, zoom, camera styles, and tone. Here they have clean preview. We can disable the lock, focus, and exposure. Slightly press and hold, then continue touching camera control to maintain focus and exposure. Here we do have this visual intelligence, which is the Apple intelligence. We can enable press and hold to enable it. Apart from that, we do have here accessibility. We do have press force, a lighter, default, or firmer. Lighter, default, firmer. Here we have double light press speed, default slow, slower, double click speed, default slow, slower. So now we can test these options out. If you hold your finger, you will see that Apple Intelligence is here. We can, for example, scan the flower by just taking up image of the flower, and here you can see that this is one of the flowers here. If I just open the camera, you can see, wait a moment, that if I push it and click it, like something like that, not click it, just push it, we can see that on the double click we are here. We can see cameras, zoom, and once we are in the zoom, by just sliding our finger we can increase or decrease the zoom. By double click we can go further, for example the depth, and again by tapping we can enter this option. By this slider we can manage the depth. Double click, double tap actually, but with the force, exposure, one tap. Here we are in the exposure, we can lower the exposure. Double tap to exit. Here we do have the cameras, and we can change the camera lens to the selfie, to the 0.5x, 1x, and 2x. Here we have styles, photographic styles, and tones. And to take a photo, just click. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.